Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Let's start by boiling some water in a pan. Add a teaspoon of salt and give it a good mix. Once it's boiling, toss in 8 ounces or 250 grams of feather pasta and cook until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, let's whip up a flavorful meat sauce. Finely chop 1 onion. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Add some olive oil into the frying pan. Then fry the onion in it for about 5 minutes until it's nice and soft. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like as it's the best reward from you. Then grate in 3 cloves of garlic. Add them to the onions. Next, add 400 grams of minced meat, a mix of beef and pork. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Provencal herbs, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika. And add 5 fluid ounces or 150 milliliters of tomato paste. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and set it aside. Drizzle some olive oil into a baking dish. Start with a layer of pasta. Next comes a layer of seasoned minced meat. Repeat these layers twice. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. Then add 1 ounce or 30 grams of sour cream and 1 ounce or 30 grams of mayonnaise. Give it all a good mix. Pour this creamy mixture over the casserole. Next up, we'll grate 7 ounces or 200 grams of soft cheese. Top the casserole with soft cheese and pop it into the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. While our casserole bakes, let's whip up a quick salad. Tear up some lettuce leaves. Eight to 12 cherry tomatoes cut into slices. Cut 1 avocado as shown in the video. Scoop out the avocado flesh into the salad. Cut 5 mini cucumbers into slices. Tear 3 ounces or 90 grams of mozzarella cheese into small pieces. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Chop 1 bunch of parsley. Give it a good toss to coat everything evenly. And there you have it. Our pasta casserole is ready to be devoured. Let's dive in and give it a try. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!